In this tip of the day, let's take a look at controlling toolpath using surfaces. Now in this example, we have a solid model and we've applied a 3-axis Z-level rough machining operation. Now this machining operation is going to drive the tool everywhere the tool can go, including inside the hole and inside the pocket there. But what if you have a revision to the part, or you simply don't want the tool to go down inside the hole or pocket? Well, you can accomplish this without modifying the geometry. In fact, we can do this by creating surfaces. Let's head over to the command manager. Let's go into our surfaces command and let's select surface from curves. This is going to provide the ability for us to create flat surfaces from closed boundary geometry. I'm going to take my cursor, left click that circle, and then right hand mouse click, and there we go. We have a flat surface. Alright, let's make another one. Let's go surface from curves. And now let's left click that closed boundary, right hand mouse click, and there's another surface. Now we can head back over to the NC Manager, right hand mouse click on the machining operation, and simply select Repick Path. All we're going to do now is quickly push through these menus by clicking Next, and then Finish. Do we want to repick our machining boundary? We're going to say no to that. OneCNC is going to regenerate the toolpath, and now the tool is going to be prohibited from going down inside the hole or the pocket, and that was all accomplished by using surface from curves. Alright, that's it for this tip of the day. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.